Let's paint a happy mountain landscape. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Art Journey channel. Today we're going to have so much fun creating a beautiful mountain landscape painting. It's going to be easy and super colorful, perfect for artists of all ages. Materials: a big piece of paper, paintbrushes in different sizes, a big one for painting the sky, and some smaller ones for details. A cup of water to keep our brushes clean and juicy, and of course lots of fun paints. We can use any colors we like. Blue for the sky, green for the mountains, yellow for the sun. The sky's the limit. Let's paint the sky. First, let's paint a big, beautiful sky. We can use our biggest brush and dip it in blue paint. Then with one big swipe across the top of our paper. See how easy that was? Now, while the blue paint is still wet, let's add some fluffy white clouds. We can use a smaller white brush and dab little fluffy shapes all around the sky. Time for the mountains. All right, now for the fun part. We can use our green paintbrush to make big, bumpy shapes along the bottom of our paper. Remember, mountains can be any shape we want, tall and pointy, or short and round. Let's add some details. Our mountains are looking great. Now, let's add some fun details. We can use a small brush in brown to paint little lines on the mountains, showing the bumpy rocks. Maybe we can even add some yellow dots for tiny flowers growing on the mountainside. Don't forget the sunshine. Almost finished. No mountain landscape is complete without a bright sun shining down. Let's use our yellow paintbrush to make a big circle in the corner of the sky. We can add little orange lines around the circle for sunbeams. Show off your artwork. Look how amazing your mountain landscape looks. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to paint. The most important thing is to have fun and be creative. Thanks for joining me on this art journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art lessons. We'll see you next time.